Any number of people can play catchphrase. Just divide into two teams, pink and blue. The key to the game is to try and guess a well-known phrase or saying from the movie clip. Can you guess this one? Remember, say what you see. Did you get it? The answer is cliffhanger. The aim of the game is to beat the other team in the first two rounds, so that your team can go on to round 3 and attempt to cross the super catchphrase board. Before you start, put the DVD remote control between the two teams. The blue team should be on the left, the pink team on the right. If someone in your team thinks they've got the answer, they should grab the remote and press the arrow button for their team. You've got 3 seconds to tell everyone your answer before the catchphrase is revealed. If you're right, your team scores 20 points. But if you're wrong, the other team scores instead. If you don't want to risk losing 20 points, you can just shout out your answer, but don't press any button. If no one presses, the correct answer is revealed after 15 seconds. If the answer was shouted out, whichever team was first to guess correctly will win 10 points. If a catchphrase comes up that you've seen before, you can change it by pressing the down arrow on your DVD remote. If you want to skip straight on to the catchphrase answer without waiting 15 seconds, press enter on your DVD remote. Depending on how well everyone did, the round ends after 4 to 6 catchphrases. In round 2, the catchphrases are slowly revealed. If you guess the catchphrase when only one square has been peeled away, you will score 100 points. As each square is peeled away, 10 points are deducted from the available score. If you know the answer, press the arrow key on the DVD remote for your team. You have 3 seconds to say what you see. If you're right, your team scores all the points. But if you're wrong, the other team takes all the points. Whichever team has the most points at the end of the round goes on to play round 3 and try to cross the super catchphrase board. In round 3, your team must try to make a line across the super catchphrase board from the left side of the board over to the right. Each square on the super catchphrase board hides a catchphrase. Reveal the catchphrase by pressing enter on your DVD remote. Shout out as many guesses as you like, but don't press enter until you feel you've got it right. If you're correct, the square will be lit and you're ready to go for the next square. If you're wrong, the square will be blocked and a new route across the board will be chosen. If all the routes are blocked, it's game over. Get all the way across and you win the game. You have up to 10 seconds to guess each catchphrase, but only 30 seconds guessing time to make a line. The clock stops each time you press enter to reveal the answer. If the first team fails to cross the board, the other team has a chance to go for glory. Good luck!